everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Katya and today I'm going to show you how to crochet this large heart. I do have a video tutorial on how to make this heart. I will leave the link down below, so check it out if you're interested in this one. But if you want to work a larger heart, this tutorial is for you. It is measuring at 10 inches by, the widest part is 12 inches. For this project, I'll be using number 4 medium weight yarn with a 5mm crochet hook. You don't have to use number 4 medium weight yarn. You can use any yarn of your choice, just adjust the hook size, but the size of the heart will be different. We're going to start with the slip knot and a chain of 18. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, and 18. For round 1, we need to work 5 double crochets using the 4 chain from the hook. So don't count the loop that's on your hook, but count the chain. So right here we have 1, 2, 3, 4. Into this 4 chain, work 5 double crochets. 1, 2, 3. The last 2 double crochets, I'm actually going to pick up the middle loop. So right here you see this loop of the chain. Pick it up and work your 2 double crochets into that loop. That way you're not going to have a big hole. So far we worked 5 double crochets. Now we need to work 1 double crochet using the next 4 chains. So pick up the next chain and work 1 double crochet and repeat. So here's 1, 2, 3, and 4. Next, let's go ahead and work 5 double crochets together. To work your 5 double crochets together, go ahead and yarn over and go into the next chain. Yarn over again and bring up a loop. So right here we have 3 loops on our hook. Yarn over and only pull through 2 loops. So it's like working an unfinished double crochet. And we need to repeat that 4 more times. So again, go into the next chain, but don't finish your double crochet. So only pull through 2 loops. Let's repeat it again. So right over here we have 4 loops on our hook. We need a total of 6. Again, just pull through 2 loops. And one more time, go into the next chain and work an unfinished double crochet. And now we have 6 loops on our hook. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yarn over and pull through all 6 loops. And right here, we just worked 5 double crochets together. Into the next 4 stitches, we're going to work 1 double crochet. I meant chains, not stitches. So pick up the chain and work 1 double crochet. And continue working. You need a total of 4. So that was 1, 2, 3, and 4. So right over here we are left with 1 chain, and into this last chain we need to work 6 double crochets. So again, pick up that chain and work 6 double crochets. So 1, 2, 3, 4. If you like, you can again split the chain and work your last 2 double crochets using the middle chain. If it's too hard, don't worry about it. I'm just going to work regular, using the regular space. So right over here, whatever we worked on this side, we worked here. So right here we worked our chain 3, and which stands as the first double crochet with the 5 double crochets into the same chain. Then we worked 1 double crochet into the next 4 chains, and then we have our 5 double crochets together. And then we repeated the same thing on this side. We worked 1 double crochet into the next 4 chains and then 6 double crochets. So now let's go ahead and work on the bottom of the heart. So you're just going to turn your work, and right over here we have the chains. We're going to pick up the next 6 chains and work 1 double crochet in each of those 6 chains. So right here we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6, and into the next chain work 5 double crochets. So right over here we're going to pick up the chain and work 5 double crochets. So that was 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. And now we're left with 6 chains. So into each of the next 6 chains, just work 1 double crochet to finish round 1. Here's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. And to end, we're going to slip stitch using the top of the 3rd chain. So right here, we're going to count 1, 2, 3. Using the top of that 3rd chain, we're going to slip stitch. And each round, we're going to finish same way. So pick up both loops and a slip stitch to end. And at the end of round 1, this is how it looks like. And we have a total of 38 double crochets. For round 2, we're going to start with the chain 3. 1, 2, 3. This chain 3 stands as the first double crochet. Back into that same space where you slip stitched into, go ahead and work your second double crochet. So right over here, we worked an increase. We worked 2 double crochets into that same stitch. So this chain 3 stands as the first double crochet. Now we need to repeat this 5 more times. So into the next stitch, work 2 double crochets, 1, and go back into that same stitch and work your second double crochet. And repeat this again, 1, and go back into that same stitch and work your second double crochet. So here's 1, 2, 3. Let's continue. Work 2 double crochets into the next stitch. And let's repeat this 2 more times. So right here, we're working 2 double crochets into that same stitch. And let's do it 1 more time. We should have a total of 6 sets of 2 double crochets worked into the same stitch. So let's go ahead and count. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And at the end, we should have 12 double crochets. Remember, this chain 3 stands as the first double crochet. So right here, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Into the next 2 stitches, work 1 double crochet. So work 1 double crochet and go into the next stitch and work 1 double crochet. And now we're going to work 5 double crochets together, same as before. We're going to go into the stitch, bring up a loop. We have 3 loops on our hook, yarn over, and pull through only 2 loops. So you're not finishing the double crochet. And we need to repeat this until we have a total of 6 loops on our hook. So let's go ahead and do that. Here's 2, 3, 4, and 5. So that was 5 double crochets together, and we should have 6 loops on our hook. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 loops on our hook. Yarn over and pull through all 6 loops. And now whatever we did on this side, we need to repeat it on this side. So we're going to start by working 1 double crochet into the next 2 stitches. Here's 1. Go into the next stitch and work another double crochet. And now for the next 6 stitches, we need to work 2 double crochets into each of those 6 stitches. So let's go ahead and do that. Here's 1, and go back into that same stitch and work your second double crochet. And let's repeat this one double crochet, and then go back into that same stitch and work your second double crochet. Let's repeat it again. Into the next stitch, work 2 double crochets, and repeat it again using the next stitch. And I think we need to repeat it 2 more times. So here's 1 double crochet, go back into that same stitch and work your second double crochet, and let's repeat it 1 more time. Work 2 double crochets into the next stitch. And let's check really quickly. So we're not counting this 1 double crochet and 1 double crochet here. We're going to start working with our increases, counting those stitches. So right here we're going to count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. And this is how it looks like so far. And now we're going to be working at the bottom of the heart. So right here, into each of the next 8 stitches, work 1 double crochet. Here's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and into the following stitch work 5 double crochets. So right here, pick up that stitch and work 5 double crochets using that same stitch. Here's 2, 3, 4, and 5. Into the last 8 stitches, we're going to work 1 double crochet. So right here, pull these 5 double crochets and you'll see the stitch right here. Make sure you use that stitch. We need a total of 8 double crochets. So here's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. And to end this round, we're going to slip stitch using the top of the 3rd chain. Count from the bottom. Here's 1, 2, 3. Using this chain right here, go ahead and slip stitch to end round 2. And at the end of round 2, this is how it looks like, and we have a total of 50 double crochets. For round 3, we're going to start with the chain 3. This chain 3 stands as the first double crochet. Back into the same space where we slip stitched into, we're going to go ahead and work 1 more double crochet. And this is our first increase. So we work 2 double crochets using that same stitch. Into the next stitch, work 1 double crochet. And now we're going to repeat this. We need to repeat it 4 more times, not including this. So right here into the next stitch, work 2 double crochets. 1, and go back into that same stitch and work your second double crochet. Into the next stitch, work 1 double crochet. And let's repeat it 3 more times now. So into the next stitch, work 2 double crochets. And into the next stitch, work 1 double crochet. Let's repeat it 2 more times. Into the next stitch, work 2 double crochets. Into the following stitch, work 1 double crochet. And let's work on this 1 more time. Into the next stitch, work 2 double crochets. And into the next stitch, work 1 double crochet. And into the following stitch, let's work 2 double crochets. And let's go ahead and count our stitches. We should have a total of 17 double crochets, which includes this chain 3. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. Into the next stitch, we're going to work 1 double crochet. And now we need to work 5 double crochets together. So let's go ahead and do that. So don't finish your double crochet, leave the last 2 loops on your hook and repeat. 2, 3, 4 and 5. So we used 5 stitches, and now we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 loops on our hook. Yarn over and pull through all 6 loops. And now whatever we did on this side right here, we're going to repeat and do the same thing on this side. So we're going to start by working 1 double crochet into the next stitch. And now we're going to repeat our sets. So right here, we're going to work 2 double crochets into that same stitch and 1 double crochet into the next stitch. And let's go ahead and repeat that 4 more times. So work 2 double crochets into the next stitch and 1 double crochet into the following stitch. Again, 2 double crochets into the next stitch and 1 double crochet into the following stitch. Let's repeat that again. 2 double crochets into the next stitch and 1 double crochet into the following stitch. And let's repeat it one more time. 2 double crochets into the next stitch and 1 double crochet into the following stitch. And into the next stitch, work 2 double crochets, 1, and go back into that same stitch and work your second double crochet. And let's go ahead and count our stitches really quickly. So right here we did our 5 double crochets together. Skip that and skip 1 double crochet right here. Skip that one. And right here we have our set. So let's go ahead and count. We should have 17 double crochets. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17 double crochets. And we finished with 2 double crochets worked into that same stitch. Now let's go ahead and work on the bottom of the heart. So right over here into this next 10 stitches, we're going to work 1 double crochet. Here's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Into the following stitch, we're going to work 5 double crochets. So the stitch right here, pick it up and work 5 double crochets using that stitch. So here's 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Into those last 10 stitches, we need to work 1 double crochet. So pull these 5 double crochets to make sure you see this stitch right here and work 1 double crochet across. You should have a total of 10. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. And to end this round, we're just going to slip stitch same way. We're going to work from the bottom. Here's 1, 2, 3, and pick up that chain and slip stitch to end round 3. And at the end of round 3, this is how it looks like, and we have a total of 62 double crochets.